What's going on, everybody? So here we are today at Switching Lanes. I want to thank everybody for coming on back to the channel. We're going to do episode 2 of Driveway Rundown. I told you wouldn't have to wait long. We're trying to be consistent with this. So I have my good longtime friend Mark here today. Used to be a driver just like I am now. Now he's a diesel mechanic, so I think you might see him in a future video or two as well. But we're going to go ahead and run down his driveway, or kind of his driveway. Hey, everybody parks different spots. And we're going to proceed with this and go from there. So stay tuned, and Driving Rundown starts right now.
Hey everybody, so this is my 2000 Ford F-350. As you can see, it's a pretty big vehicle.
Lift kit.
Yes, it actually has a 6-inch lift on it. I run big tires, 35-inch tires. The story behind this truck was I bought this when I quit driving because I didn't have a vehicle. And the person I worked for at the time offered me this vehicle, and I have now had it for about 5 years. It's been extremely reliable till now. Yes, till now. At the moment, it still runs, but it has a bad turbo. So this truck now is slated to become a full restoration project. I'm going to redo everything inside the motor that needs to be fixed. I'm going to redo suspension. I've got some fuel tank straps that need to be redone, and believe it or not, this entire truck needs a new body. I can show you that as we're going around. So that's as we affectionately call it, it's the beast. That's where we're at. So.
All right, so with that being all said, let's go ahead and do the walk around the truck, and then we'll be ready to move on to the next one. So let's do it.
Well, as you can see, it's just big and white, but like right here. Right here, this is one of the main points. These are the cab corners that have completely and utterly rotted out. So that's one of the reasons that this truck's going to need a whole new body, is from here all the way forward is rusted out underneath. The quarter panels are gone, the rocker panels are gone, the cab corners are gone, and if you see right here in this junction where the bed has slipped down, that means the entire bed is actually rotting out underneath. So this bed will have to need to be taken off, completely replaced, and a new bed put down. You can see my giant tires, the 35s. This is how a country boy rolls on 20s. We come around the backside. You can see my tailgate is actually a different color. I got this tailgate when I picked up some parts. I got this for free. My front axle, this is a 4-wheel drive vehicle, has no 4-wheel drive. It's completely destroyed, and I actually have the new axle sitting inside this truck for when I get to rebuild it. Okay, so this is the next vehicle. This is my 2007 Jeep Wrangler. I actually ended up buying this because the beast decided to blow a turbo and is basically ready to blow the engine. So I had to buy something that I could drive back and forth to work every day, and this is my Jeep. It's a little basic Jeep Wrangler. It doesn't have any of the bells and whistles.
What made you think Jeep?
I've always just wanted a Jeep.
Okay, so
That's
just that simple.
Just that simple. And it's, for me being a former truck driver and somebody who loves driving a stick, this has a 6-speed manual in it. So I still love driving a manual. And farther down the line, the plan is to give this to my daughter as her first car eventually, which as a parent, she can't text and drive if she's driving a stick.
That's smart. Wow.
See? I'm not done. But yeah, so this is just a basic Wrangler. I mean, there's no bells and whistles. It's not even that pretty. It's kind of endearingly ugly. So
And most cars don't. He's a real spare. Hello.
Real spare.
Real spare. Most cars don't have that. Not much to be said.
Nope.
Just the same thing on this side, like you said, it's real basic.
Real basic. It does need a little work. I have a small oil leak, and it does need an EGR valve. Other than that, it runs really well. It actually gets up and goes quite nicely. So it's a nice little fun grocery getter, basically. All right. So this, like you said, is my wife's 2019 Ford Ranger. The story behind this one is my wife drives a ton of miles every day for work, and her previous vehicle had over 213,000 miles on it, and we had it for about 9 years. So we finally broke down, said, hey, we can afford a brand new vehicle. So we went out and we bought her, actually it's a lease, a brand new 2019. So this vehicle is actually the first brand new vehicle I have ever owned. She's owned one before, but I have not. So it's actually a really, really fun truck to drive. It's got a lot of power, and it's a lot of fun. Like we said, this thing has only a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, but this thing drives like a 6-cylinder. I mean, it's got power. I've used the 4-wheel drive a couple times just for the fun of it. It's got 4-wheel drive on the fly, so it's just, if you're slipping and sliding, and boom, you hit it, and away you go. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say, it's just a really fun truck to drive.
Let's walk around here and we'll wrap this whole thing up.
Yeah, it's got all the smart sensors and everything. The tailgate actually locks.
So I appreciate you doing your rundown of his three vehicles, his F-350 monster truck that he calls the Beast, his Jeep Wrangler that he runs around into work, and his beautiful brand new Ford Ranger. I love it. And so that's going to be our episode for today. I'd like to thank one of my very longtime friends, Mark, for joining us here on the episode. And make sure you guys like and subscribe, share, view, everything you can do to help with the channel. We appreciate it so much. And tune in next time and we'll have another episode of another driveway rundown.